I kind of miss the intro music. You know, I used to always, I kind of got sick of that intro music back when I was on YouTube every day, because I'd hear it every day. But, you know, now that just once a week, I kind of miss the old intro music. All right, welcome back, my friends. Welcome back to possibly the dumbest, most ridiculous hot sector, hot theme, whatever you want to call it, of all time. I love it. Listen, look at everything hitting the high day. Verb, GNS, HLBZ, MULN, everything hitting the high day right now. All these illegal short seller plays. Again, so I got a scan running. Yeah, I'm scanning right here. I just got short and illegal as search terms. Verb is the day one. RVYL as well. And there's going to be more. Now, one thing I want to be clear, guys, is you know, we know the end game. Okay, all right. So many of you that were here when day one on GNS, I'm sure many of you have fond memories of day one in GNS. I mean, I laughed, like a giddy schoolgirl when GNS dropped that press release. Now, old school short seller Tim came out. It was, you know, and I was like, whatever, freak illegal short sellers, blah blah. But hey, initiated the squeeze. Now, one thing I did say at the end of that webinar, I said everything changes in the afternoon and day two. I mean, obviously, beautiful breakout in the afternoon on GNS, and then you get you know, COSM coming up on red to green. So the point I want to make before we get started is we know the end game. Okay. We know where GNS is going. We know where HLBZ is going. We know where Verb and MULN, we know the end result. So as long as you're okay with trading the price action, sticking to your plan, I love it. Again, quite possibly the dumbest. No, I don't even, I'm going to rephrase that. Not quite. This is the dumbest in 17 years. I just broke 17 years. 17 years of actively day trading. This is the dumbest hot sector, dumbest theme I've ever seen. But hey, man, it's penny stocks. It's penny stocks. That's why we love them. Anyway, INBS, 18 million float, 7 million shares traded. Boo! Boo! It's not an anti-short selling press release. Dang you, INBS. Anyway, reads good. Good volume. January jump chart. Definitely. Hey, dip and rip early. Oracle levels midday. So, whoops, I don't even have my notes open. I was too excited about the naked short war. 123. INBS. DNR. Buy in pre, sell in pre. Oracle levels after the open. I mean, all patterns apply, really. DNR and afternoon VWAP holds. Basically, every pattern applies. Great volume, January jump chart. Biotechs are still hot. The PR reads nicely. So, oh, and then the weekend watch list, by the way, very solid, man. AEHR was that one that's kind of been the number one swing idea for quite some time, gapping up nicely. Tesla gapping up nicely again, and then all the crappy naked short wars. So going over those, COSM, red to green. Man, HLBZ, nice. That's pretty wild. HLBZ, let me look at that chart. These are all just the ones from the weekend watch. Ooh, man, nice. You got nice trend alignment at 35. So 35 would be a break of Friday's highs as well as pre-market highs. HLBZ 035 brings the heat. And then And then GNS. Dip and rip, why not? 4 a.m. squeeze point, $4. TCRX Kirk. TCRX. Not the best volume. Cancer news. A lot of resistance though. Not my favorite chart pattern. So let's talk about the positives and the negatives. Positives are relatively low float and a cancer PR. I like that. But just tons and tons of resistance in the 270s. So I don't like the chart. I don't like the volume. I mean, they drop a cancer PR and it's trading 2 million shares. So these are the types where I say, let it, so Kirk, let it prove itself. Okay, let it prove itself, which means midday, late day. Now, what influences that decision? Two things, probably the two biggest things that influence that decision are the chart, just tons of resistance, okay? And volume is just kind of mediocre, okay? Look at HLBZ, 60 million shares, Verb, 9 million shares, so et cetera. So I would say let it prove itself. That means afternoon VWAP holds. Doesn't check enough boxes. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond has lost. Yeah, remember, guys, understand. So with Bed Bath & Beyond and the resurgence of the meme stocks, okay, there's a point here, okay? We got a chat pump to, we got a chat pump, CBKD. Remember, just like I said with the naked short war stuff, okay, we know how it will end. Okay? You guys gotta remember that. And I know this is a frequent topic of conversation, but the meme stocks are a great example. Listen, a week from now, hell, 2 days from now, this naked short war stuff may be completely gone. That's why price action trumps everything. Price action trumps everything. Price action trumps everything. It's over for it's over for now. The meme stocks might come back, but it's over for now. And you're right. Looks like Bed Bath & Beyond has lost its steam. People have moved on. They've moved on to the naked short war and January jump effect biotechs. Those are our two, right now, those are our two hottest sectors, and it's what I think you should be focused on. Again, INBS, January jump effect, biotech, and the naked short war BS stuff. So yes, Bed Bath & Beyond has lost its steam. We need to recognize a chat pump, low float. I did say it was a chat pump like $1 a share ago. What is that? Damn it. So this just IPO'd, huh? I hate these. I guess, listen, trade the day one highs, I guess. I always really struggle with these. And when I say struggle, I struggle with explaining a trade plan on these because you've got 1 day of chart history. So, the volume, it's chat pump, 11 million float. So just be safe. I just, not my favorite. As much as I love low float chat pumps, not my fave. I usually like to have about a week of chart history, okay? I've done, on the YouTube, if you check the YouTube, I've probably done 6 different videos talking about how to approach IPOs. And I just like to have about a week of chart history as it goes to $8. Shut up, old man. Shut up, old man. Hey, I did say it was a chat pump like a buck, like, well, now $3 a share ago. Anyway. What? I will move on. Why do we love low flow chat pumps? There you go. Anyway, watch the YouTube. I like to have more chart history, and feel free to tell me to shut up and call me an old man. Hey, you're free. NRSN says Star-Lord. Is NRSN back? No, it's not. ALLR. Good volume. January jump effect. Oracle levels. TCRX. High priced. Good news. Nice breakout. So I like that 40 level, whole dollar, half dollar with risk on VWAP. Higher priced, but $40 level key. All right, let's get to the number one. And I got to run. Busy day, man. A lot out there. INBS, nice. Several people in Steady Trade team trading that. So HLBZ is the most liquid stock, ALLR and Verb, and then INBS, and then GNS. So, I mean, INBS is probably the strongest, right? What's the lowest float of them? Verb. Well, they're all low float. That's a nice thing. Struggling. Or is it CP? No. I think I'm going to go with HLBZ. I like the day two continuation. So HLBZ over Friday's highs, which also aligns with pre-market highs. It's also a naked short play, and it's got great volume. So lot out there. I want to be clear, HLBZ isn't the only INBS solid backup. Everything on the weekend watch list doing well. COSM is the only one gapping down, possible red to green. And again, my friends, the end result is, I think, two sectors, okay, right now. It's either January jump effect biotechs like INBS, or the dumbest hot sector ever naked short plays like INBS, or like HLBZ. All right, my friends, have a great day, and we will see you next time. Remember, I am still, for those of you on YouTube, Alex will drop the link. Maybe she already has dropped the link. I am still live every single day at 8:30 Eastern, okay? If you enjoyed this, if you got value, maybe had a few laughs, I try and keep it fun. Definitely check out the 8:30 every single day, and we will, other than that, we'll see you next time.